Hi everyone, we have a single card here today, and I'm starting with two stamp sets from Fawn. One is the really high five, which I'm sorry I didn't show in the video, and a bug deal, and I stamped a bunch of the leaves, as you can see, and color them off camera because it would take me forever. And I'm gonna color the little critters that I stamped from the really high five stamp set, and I'm gonna color them using Copics, and then we'll put our card together. Then I used the leafy tree backdrop die from Fawn, and I'm going to create a frame so we can create our scene. As you can see, I I die cut the frame in some brown cardstock, and then I'm also going to die cut it in another piece of brown cardstock from the fall paper pad, so that the frame can be a different color from the tree. And I also cut out two additional trees to get some dimension on my tree. I found that piece of background paper in my stash, not sure where it came from, or what paper pad or whatever, but it had the perfect colors, the blue and some green at the bottom, so I just used it for my background. Then I'm gonna start adding some of the leaves, which I actually sat down and fussy cut out myself using the scissors, and I'm gonna add them to each layer of the tree. That's the first layer, so I'm gonna add a few of the leaves. Then I'm gonna add another tree, add a few more leaves, and then finish off with the top tree, which is brown. For the final tree, I actually use a stamp that I have, wood grain background stamp, and stamp some dark brown on the tree, and you can see that it has some little grooves like a tree would naturally have.